are still playing baseball.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lake County and northeast Illinois, southern McHenry County and northeast Illinois until 8:15 p.m. At 7:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Marengo and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. The severe thunderstorm will be near Woodstock and Lakewood around 7:35 p.m. Bull Valley around 7:40 p.m. McHenry and McCullum Lake around 7:45 p.m. Sunnyside and Lake Moore around 7:50 p.m. Pistakee Highlands and Fox Lake around 7:55 p.m. Long Lake around 8 o'clock p.m. This storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.